Intelligent peripherals for robots. IPR offers everything robots need to do their job. For over 30 years, IPR has been developing and manufacturing top-quality assembly and robot accessories. 1989, founded in Schweigern, Germany. 95 employees worldwide. 27 patents and utility models. 20 distributors in Europe, America and Asia. The whole world of assembly and handling technology. Extensive range of products with innovative systems and components for assembly and handling technology. Quality, technical expertise, and industry knowledge are our most important qualities. Discover our extensive portfolio of peripherals for robots, smarter, more flexible, and more universal. Load limiters, protecting tools and workpieces from damages.